Welcome back to the channel. So today we got the pump and we got a new choke. I want to thank Jay Bird, one of my subscribers, for sending that in, and Chuck and Stuart. I appreciate it. We're fixing to test this bad boy out versus the factory Stoeger choke. This is the Gobblin Thunder. It's the 660. So today we had the 3.5 inch number 7s out of the pump. I got the Gobblin Thunder choke in there. Let's see what these look like, number 7s versus the number 9s of the TSS. The TSS was 2 3/4. I really think it needs to be a little bit bigger, maybe like a 3 inch at 40 yards, but it was pretty nasty on paper. So let's compare these to the TSS. So 3.5 inch number 7s, 40 yards. Them 3.5s rock. They rock, especially in a pump. That's a dead turkey. There's pellets everywhere. So that was out of these in the Gobblin Turkey. I don't have anything. I don't have the factory choke to compare this one to yet. So next week I'll make a video comparing these two with the factory choke, so we can have some kind of idea. But the TSS outperformed the number 7. So hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the other videos. I'll see you next week.